Hello everyone, my name is Nika and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So today is going to be the first week of my vlog video, I guess. I did ask you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see me vlog my, what the fuck is all this? Sorry about that. If you guys wanted to see me vlog my moving process, me being there, kind of like everything about moving far away from your family, your friends, whoever you're in a relationship with, you know, just that kind of stuff, because that is what I'm going through right now. From today, it is June 9th, I believe, so I have a month and 4 days before I am leaving officially. I leave on the 13th of July. And today is the first day that I started packing my stuff. So today was basically the first day that I took my first big step towards moving. So right now I live in Quebec and I'm moving to Vancouver. Vancouver is a bit hotter than it is here, especially during the winter. Here during the winter it can get minus 20, minus 30. Has gone to minus 40 before, but that's very, very, very extreme. And in Vancouver it's more minus 10, minus 15, you know, minus 5. It doesn't get that cold compared to here. So, I did already have like a lot of my winter stuff, so if you guys do live here, you kind of know you have your winter boots, you have your winter coat, you got your scarves, your socks, all that kind of stuff. And since it is the summer and I'm going to be moving during July, I basically packed all of my winter clothes. I also packed a lot of like large hoodies, sweatshirts, things that I knew I wasn't going to be wearing, sweatpants, my pajama, my really, really soft and warm pajama pants, all that kind of stuff. Some books that I wanted to bring, so I brought the A Girl with the Dragon Tattoo series with me, and I knew that I wanted to read that while I was there, so I did bring the 3 books out of the 5 that I have so far. I'm trying to thrift the 2 other ones, but thrift stores here aren't that good, so we'll see how that goes. And then so like my closet is a lot emptier than it used to be. I'll show you guys kind of like the gaps that I have. I wish I could have done like a before and after, but the last couple of months since January, I've been kind of giving away clothes and donating, selling, all that kind of stuff, things that I knew that I wasn't going to wear anymore, that were kind of just like, even if I were moving, I think I would have done it anyways. I will show you guys all the makeup that I have to pack, and there's just so much stuff that I still have to pack. And my room basically will kind of become a guest room, so all of my personal stuff will go into my closet once it is empty. And yeah, so kind of to give you guys the information that I have so far on what I have. All my stuff that I was able to pack today is in like a huge hockey bag that my dad has. If you guys play hockey or you know hockey, you know how those bags are huge. I'll show you guys in just a second. Basically the rest of the stuff that I do have to pack is going to be my makeup, is going to be my clothes, and is going to be kind of like little personal stuff, so like hygiene, my skincare, hair care, brushes, all that kind of stuff is what I have left to pack. And that is a lot of stuff. And I kind of have to figure out as well what I'm going to keep in my room, what I'm not going to keep, and stuff like that. So I'm going to tell you guys now why I am moving. I probably should have started with this, but I'm going to tell you guys why I am moving. So I am moving to Vancouver because I want to go to makeup school. I want to have my certificate, I want to have my diploma, whatever you call it. I want to have my certification of being a professional makeup artist, because that is right now what I feel like doing in my life. I want that to become my career. I have done makeup looks for prom, weddings, photo shoots, editorial looks, all that kind of stuff so far. And I do have my own YouTube channel that I do post about makeup as well, which I really like doing. And I know I'm really bad at uploading videos, but this whole moving process and working at the same time is just really taking a lot of my time, and I do want to spend time with my friends, family, and my boyfriend as much as I can. So whenever I do have time, I try to make videos and post them for you guys. So that's kind of that. But I do want to make this vlog a weekly or bi-weekly thing, because process is starting now, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I am moving for makeup school. I am going to be moving into my aunt and uncle's house, so I will not be completely alone. I will have my aunt and my uncle that I'm going to live with. I will be living with them for the whole year, thank God, because at first that wasn't the situation, but now it is. I'm very sorry for all of this. There's a lot of dust in my room and I need to clean it, so oh my god, it's everywhere. What the heck? Anyways, I did get very lucky because in Vancouver, rent is so expensive. But my school is the Blanche McDonald Makeup School, and it has an amazing program for people that are moving from far away because most of their students are international students. So I might be meeting someone that does come from Montreal, from Asia, Australia, just like all these places, from Europe even. Like, I could be meeting people from everywhere, which is really, really cool. And they have a program for people that are moving in to Vancouver that do not have family like I did or somewhere to live, and they are trying to find roommates to pair up with to go move into an apartment. They help you search for apartments, your budget, all that kind of stuff. So they do have that with the school. So even if I didn't have my aunt and my uncle to live with, I think I would have been perfectly fine finding people to go out and live with anyways. So basically I'm leaving the 13th of July. I'm going to be there with my family. So my brother, I don't have a fucking brother. Well, my dog's my brother, but he's not even coming with me. I'm gonna have my sister, my mom, and my dad come and kind of spend, like, I guess a 1-week vacation with me before I decide to part for a while with my family. Next time I'll probably be seeing them is during Christmas time, so that will be around 6 months, 5 months after. They will be coming with me, spending a week with me, just having fun, traveling Vancouver. I will also be doing the practical stuff, like moving my stuff in, seeing if I need more drawers for all the shit I will be bringing, and also if I need to know how to get to school, because there are 3 campuses for my makeup school. The main one is going to be in the centre-ville of Vancouver, so like in the dead-ass like center of Vancouver City. So yeah. That will be happening. I will be paying for my groceries because I am vegetarian, would love to go vegan. Still trying to make that transition because there's a lot of things that are very hard for me to give up right now, like cheese. But honestly, I think animals' lives are way more important than my preferences for what I like to eat. But anyways, that's another story. So I would like to vegetarian, go vegan, but I also don't want to make it super complicated for my aunt and my uncle to be cooking me that kind of stuff. They generally don't eat that much meat. It's more seafood because they do live close to the ocean. So that won't be very much of a problem for me, but I will be needing to buy my own groceries. And if I do want to go vegan, I will need to buy and cook my own food at that point. So I'm going to go there. I'm vegetarian now. I'm going to go there and we'll just figure it out. For the meantime, I don't want to stress myself out too much about that kind of stuff. Another thing is transport. So I will be taking public transport over there. I do want to know how I'm going to get to school and back. So me and my family are going to try and do that a couple of times so that I know how to get to school and back before I start school, so that I don't have that stress like the first day that I go in. And yeah, that's kind of the situation. I think I've explained everything so far, the reason why I'm moving. And in this kind of vlog, weekly or bi-weekly, that I want to do, I want to show you guys everything. I want to show you guys the practical stuff, the stuff like the moving process, what I'm doing before the move, what am I thinking about bringing with me, what am I not bringing with me, the emotional aspects of it, what am I going to do when I miss someone, how many times am I going to come visit, or how many times are they going to come visit me, if they're going to come visit me at all. You know, just all that kind of stuff. I want to put everything in here. And the reason I want to do this is because for me, it's beneficial because it's going to give me kind of like a diary slash like journal, I guess, that I can do while I'm going to be, you know, just like a little memory snippet of my life that I'll be able to put out there. And so it will be there on the internet forever, but that means I will be able to go and see it whenever I want to. Also, just to kind of see how much I've evolved, all that kind of stuff. And during my vlogs, I will be showing you guys contracts that I will be getting for makeup. Eventually, I will get more makeup based because that's what I'm going into. That's my school. That's going to be my future job. So it will be makeup related, but for the beginning, it's going to be more like moving and emotional and stuff like that. For you guys, I want to do it because if some of y'all are hesitating or are going to be moving somewhere pretty far, whether it's abroad or still in your country, then I'll be able to help you guys out. See how it is. It is different for everyone. Everyone has different preferences and stuff, but it'll kind of prepare you guys to see what it's like. And I don't want to scare you guys, but I also want to be 100% real. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything. Hopefully, I will be able to. So I'm going to show you guys my bag real quick that I've packed so far and all the holes that I have in my closet because it used to be completely full. So I'll get into that. So this is my big bag that I have everything in. As you can tell, it's my dad's big hockey bag. I have all of, like I said, my winter stuff, my clothes, boots, whatever. And then I have some textbooks in there, like my Chinese textbooks and some Spanish, because I do want to be learning that while I'm there. And then this is my closet. So I have like pretty much a lot of clothes, but oh my god, look, these are all of my shirts. And then I would put like my dresses and skirts in the middle. And then I would have all my cardigans and sweatshirts there. But like, look at how big these gaps are. Yo, my closet used to be packed. I will be hopefully bringing all of this. On top, this is like my gym slash workout slash pajama stuff. I have a lot of like lacrosse shirts and boyfriend t-shirts and kind of like sweatpants, leggings. And then here are like all the pants that I'm going to most likely be wearing. And then these are socks, belts, and then that's just an extra pair of sweatpants that I'm not going to bring with me, but I'm going to keep it in this closet because it's my boyfriend's and I want to keep it anyways. So this is my closet, and then we have my shoes and this random ass hat, but you know, whatever. So I have my winter boots in here, and I have another pair of long boots and stuff like that. So I do have a couple of pairs of shoes in here, but mainly like all of my shoes. This is my messy ass closet. You guys are freaking welcome. So yeah, I have all of my shoes in here that I feel like I'm going to be wearing for the summer, which I know is excessive, but it is what it is. So yeah. And then I have 2 bags here of just like clothes and shoes that I'm going to be giving away or that I don't want, or like family and friends can just take whatever they want. So yeah, this is my situation right now. This is crazy. Stuff is emptying away. It's insane. And then we get here to my drawer. This used to be jam-packed full of stuff, and now there's just like a couple of things and there's like a bunch of space. And then here is a bunch of books that I will also be taking out, so this drawer will be completely empty as well. So I've kind of continued packing my stuff. Well, not packing, actually just putting things away. My hair is bugging the crap out of me. So I'm kind of in a different lighting because it's a bit later in the afternoon, but I'm going to show you guys real quick this bin that I filled. And this is like one corner of my room out of the rest of my room. And this corner is a pretty small corner of the room, so this is gonna be fun. So this is the huge bin. As you can see, there's like cards that I've kept. I have brushes and straighteners that I don't use anymore. And then I have books. I have textbooks. I have books that I've read. I've had, it's like this whole bin is filled to the rim with stuff. And it was all in here, like just right here. Most of it was in this bottom drawer like I showed you guys before, and like in little bins here. And now like I used to have this to put it in. I had some of it in here. I had some of it in this. And I had some of it in like this. And now like it's all in here. And it feels so good. But at the same time, it's kind of sad because my stuff is getting empty. Like, my closet was getting empty. My room's getting empty. Yeah. So, as you can tell, there's not, like, that much done yet for what I'm not bringing, more of what I am bringing. But, yeah. That's what I have so far. That's what I wanted to show you guys. If you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave them down in the comments below. What would you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see the ugly, the bad, the emotional part of moving, or do you guys just want to see the fun, nitty-gritty kind of stuff? So just tell me down in the comments below what you guys want to see. I want to show everything. I want to showcase the emotional, the bad, the ugly, the pretty, the cute, the good, you know, all that kind of stuff. And I feel like it's going to keep me in check as well, to just be like, okay, what have you done this week that's going to benefit you moving in a month and 4 days. A month and 4 days. So, that's that. I will see you guys in my next either makeup or vlog video. I don't know which one's going to come up next. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. And subscribe if you haven't already. Please give a like if you do want me to continue this series or to help me kind of figure out what you guys like, what you guys don't like. Anyways, I'm getting very awkward and way too long with my outro, so I'm going to leave it at that. Bye. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.